Welcome to the Tech and Gadget news. WatchTube is an app for the Apple Watch which allows you to watch YouTube videos on your Apple Watch. The sound works over the watch speakers or over connected Bluetooth earphones like the AirPods. It supports subtitles and the picture can even be zoomed in for a little bit. And you can search videos using the digital scroll as well as search the feed. You cannot log in with your current Google account yet, but you can manipulate the volume and the video position with the digital crown. You can even read some of the comments from a video. LG has introduced its lightest laptop, the 14-inch Gram, with using the Intel Alder Lake chip. It's only 1 kilogram light, features a 16 by 10 IPS matte display with a resolution of 1920 x 1200. There are two versions. One is the Core i5 version with 512 GB and 16 GB RAM for 1,250 euros, and the i7 version with 1 TB SSD, 16 GB RAM, and it costs 1,600 euros. Both have two Thunderbolt ports, two USB-C, HDMI and Wi-Fi 6. Montblanc Summit 3 is a new smartwatch with using Wear OS 3. It features a 1.28-inch display with 416 x 416 AMOLED display. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage. It supports Android as well as iOS. It costs $1,300. It features a titanium case with leather and rubber straps. It also has sleep monitoring, blood oxygen level and heart rate. However, it doesn't feature any ECG. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is planning to build micro-nuclear reactors that can be transported by lorry. It is 3 meters tall and 4 meters wide. It has enough power for 25 years, providing heat and 500 kilowatt of electric power. It is targeted for faraway islands that usually use diesel generators. It's also considered to be used as emergency power supply during natural disasters as well as usage in space. It uses solid graphite material for cooling, which surrounds the cores and forwards it to the circuit of carbon dioxide, which heats up and generates turbines. They plan to put it in locations such as in buildings or tunnels or underground for better isolation. Plans for commercialization will be in 2030. Intel is now selling the second generation Blockscale ASIC miner for Bitcoin. The application-specific integrated circuit chip is a 7 nanometer chip which consumes only 4.8 to 22.7 watts and hashes Bitcoin up to 500 gigahash per second. It's only capable of SHA-256 of proof of work calculations. It consumes 26 joules per terahash. Intel's system with 256 ASICs can deliver 148 terahash per second at 3850 watt compared to the current Bitmain S19 Pro at 110 terahash per second with 3250 watt. Both cost around $5,000 to $6,000. Sony introduced its third generation Reon Pocket portable air conditioning. It's a small unit pressed against the middle of your back shoulders to deliver cool air down your spine. It first started as a crowdfunding campaign, and the goal was $486,000, which was hit in 1 week, and they sold 10,000 units within 2 days a year later. This third generation version is 50% better at cooling than the previous generation. It has motion sensors to detect movement and set the cooling appropriately. It has built-in battery, charges in less than 2 hours, lasts 8 to 60 hours in cooling mode, or 27 to 50 hours in warming mode. It can be used as a neckband or some business shirts and golf shirts with built-in pockets for the Reon Pocket. Quaise Energy is planning to convert abandoned coal mines into deep geothermal wells by melting and vaporizing rock layers to create deep holes to capture geothermal energy within a decade. Currently, geothermal heat is only used up to 120 meters deep because conventional drilling are impractical due to hard rock and hotter layers which wear down the mechanical drills. A professor of MIT thinks to have found the solution with microwave emitting gyrotron. It's used in heating material in nuclear fusion experiments. The Quaise gyrotron powered drilling vaporizes through rock, allowing it to go deeper without downhole equipment. It plans to drill geothermal wells up to 500 degrees by 2026 and plans to repurpose coal and natural gas plants in the next decade. That was this week's Tech and Gadget news. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.